Hello friends, today's topic, can I withdraw 5 lakhs from PPF and invest in stocks for long term? I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial awareness of society. As all of you know, we conduct question and answer session in YouTube live. Many questions will be answered, but many of them will not be answered due to lack of time. And we have selected some good questions by answering which many of you may get more educated. Here is the first question. Sir, can I withdraw 5 lakhs from my PF and then long term I will invest in stock markets? My age is 36 years. Long term means more than 15 years. Our observation and comments are as follows. Number 1. If your knowledge of stock market is good, then it is a good idea to do research and select good stocks for long term. You are likely to get higher returns than provident fund. 2. However, the important point is whether you are capable of selecting good stocks and managing them over the years. 3. You need to assess your risk capacity and then decide accordingly. Number 4. If you feel that you may not be able to do a good job in direct stock investing, then you can opt for mutual funds. A few good investors can beat mutual funds. Majority of the others underperform mutual funds. 5. If you are a new investor, it is better to start with mutual funds. If you feel confident in the future, you can also invest in direct stocks. The second question we had in our chat box was, Sir, can I invest in Bs for long term and then please give information about it? Our observation and comments. Number 1. Bs is an exchange traded fund which is a type of mutual fund. B stands for Benchmark Exchange Traded Fund. 2. There are different types of Bs such as Nifty Bs, Gold Bs, Nifty Next Bs, Liquid Bs and Sectoral Bs. 3. In case you want to returns as per the index without worrying about which stocks to select etc., this is ideal. 4. The returns will be as per index. For example, Nifty index has given 11 to 12% per annum average returns and hence investors in Nifty 50 Bs will get similar returns. Similarly for other Bs. 5. Many active mutual funds such as large cap or mid cap may give better returns, but for that you will need to research the particular mutual fund scheme. 6. So Bs are meant for investors who don't want to do any research or monitoring, since ETF will perform as well or as badly as the index it follows. 7. Many people have the misconception that Bs are most profitable, which is not true at all. The next question we have in this episode is, if I don't pay income tax in the future when I am buying and selling, will I get into some trouble? Observation and comments. Number 1. Income tax returns are required to be filed by people who have income above a particular threshold such as 2.5 lakhs per annum. 2. As of now, there is no need to pay tax on income up to rupees 12 lakhs per annum. But income tax returns have to be filed. 3. If you invest a significant amount of money in stock markets but never file income tax returns, in future it could be a problem, since if you are not filing tax returns at all, it means that you don't have sufficient income, which means that you are hiding information from income tax department. 4. So to be on the safer side and also for mental peace, better to file income tax returns so that there is no unnecessary fines and penalties and interest payments to government. Here is the next question. Sir, my PPF is maturing this month and getting around 10 lakhs. Is it good to invest in mutual funds for long term around 10 years? Our observation and comments. Number 1. Broadly, mutual funds will give better returns than PPF. You have to select the right kind of funds or take the help of a mutual fund distributor who will assess your risk profile and then suggest funds accordingly. 2. The important thing is to invest and hold for a long period to get good returns. Shorter periods may or may not be profitable. 3. If you want to invest lump sum, it is better to invest in a staggered manner such as 5 to 6 months so that you can take advantage of any market volatility in the coming months. 4. Select at least 2 to 3 different categories of mutual funds and invest in a phased manner. If you can do SIP apart from lump sum, your final corpus will be larger. This is the last question or comment in this episode. I have not made any loss in stock market because I'm a subscriber of your channel and I've been viewing all your videos. And last 5 years I've been investing and getting better than bank interest and very good liquidity. And then I'm able to manage my expenses with that. Our observation and comments. Number one, it's good to see that investors are getting their courage and confidence to invest in stock market and get much better returns than bank interest. Two, however, the better judge of how well you are investing is whether you are beating the index such as Nifty and whether your portfolio is beating mutual funds. Three, for example, if you are mainly investing in large cap stocks, then you should compare your CAGR, XIRR to Nifty 50 index and large cap mutual funds and see how your portfolio is performing. 4. If it is able to beat over some years, it means that you are doing well and it is worth continuing on your own. Number 5. If your portfolio is significantly underperforming, then maybe you need to consider mutual funds so that you will at least get better returns than your current investment and you will also save time to do other things. 6. Many people keep underperforming without knowing that they are not doing well, finally miss out on significant amounts of money which they could have earned if they had handed over to experts. At the end of the video, here is the question. Have you compared your stock portfolio returns compared to mutual funds of similar category? Are you beating the mutual fund or not? Beating mutual fund or underperforming mutual fund could be the answers. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.